Good morning, traders. Welcome to the smoothest live stream on the entire internet. My name is Lou Smooth. You guys can call me Smooth. And today is the day the Lord has made. What's up, everyone? Hope you guys are feeling good and ready for today. It is a Tuesday and one of the better days of the week, in my opinion. Mondays are overrated. Fridays are just terrible. But Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, that's when you got a real chance of making some money there, guys. So let's look alive out there today. Mrs. Smooth will be joining us in just one moment, and let's take a quick look at the markets together. Right now I have the 15-minute chart on, but let's look at the 30-minute. It looks like we are in some kind of a upwards trajectory right now. I think the market is heading back to 30K. We did have an attempt overnight to get up there. We got as high as 29,885, and we got a little bit of a rejection from that area. I think the market is going to want to continue trying to take out those levels. We've got a real significant level here at 29,970. That looks like something they could shoot for today. But if we lose that, we could definitely come see some lower targets. We have a trend line here that is probably going to have some kind of weight bearing here. It's been trying to bounce here a few times. Well, it's bounced here a few times and holding support. We could see the upper bounds of this now. I think it's possible we could see that today and then maybe come back down, and who knows what we do then. But there's going to be a lot of back and forth here in this level. Watch out for the manipulation in here, guys, because it gets real ugly. Trading gets really difficult around these areas, but we'll see. We've got a pretty decent, let me see, we got about a 220 point range here from the overnight low to the overnight high. And we've got yesterday's high, like we said, 970. We've got previous week's high here at 30,074. We got to the downside. We've got what, baby? I know, baby. Just let it play out. We'll talk after the stream today. All right. Yeah, so this is what we got on the charts right now in the 30-minute. Let's take a quick look at the rest of the markets and see if there is anything we could get from maybe the mags. What do we got here? Electronic trading hours. Mags are going sideways right now. Not much to see here. SpaceX had a crazy Monday. Currently right now at 138. It was down as low as almost 100. 100 was my buying area, but it never got down there. We're looking at NVIDIA right now, also looking pretty strong, but kind of going sideways at the moment. Bitcoin is having a little bit of a pop. I do have a limit short order at around 64.8. So we'll see if we get that bounce and then maybe a move back down. I'm hoping we do. And we got oil. Oil right now is at 81, but overnight oil had a pretty big move, as you guys can see here. Oil got up to 84, getting a little bit of a rejection now. But I'd like to see oil find some support here and possibly move higher. YM is kind of going sideways but grinding higher. And we've got gold on the 30-minute also looking like it wants to continue this upward move. So we'll keep our eyes on gold. But for now, let's just focus on the NQ. And let's get Mrs. Smooth on here. Let me fix your camera, babe. Yeah, what is up with your camera, by the way? Is your camera on? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, something's up with your camera. Let me see what's up with your camera. Hold on, guys. 1 second. Just watch yourself. Make sure you're not having the camera too much. Is that where you're gonna sit? Okay. No falling asleep on stream today, okay? Yeah, it's been the first day of school today over here, guys. First day of school.
Yep.
Kids are off and back to school. All right. We do have a MOAS on the 1 minute right now. Looks like they want to go ahead and shoot down to about the VWAP area. They're at 29,796. Okay. Keep our eyes on the markets. Yeah, the vacuum's going. Let me get TikTok going for us, since now I figured out what's the problem with your camera. I thought it was TikTok that was having issues.
Good morning.
Yeah, keep them entertained here, babe. I'm trying to go live.
Intense morning.
Intense? How so?
I mean, we have to wake up at 5.
Yes, we did.
And then rushing to leave.
Oh.
Go crazy. And my biggest pet peeve is when if I say we have to leave by like 6:30 and we leave by 6:31, gavel everybody around me. I'm a very on-time punctual person.
Yeah, what is going on there?
That's good.
What, baby?
Oh, she can't even hear me.
Your
Sorry.
microphone's off?
Sorry. My mic was off. I
Oh my
apologize.
God, you start all
I
over
thought
again.
I turned it off.
Start all over again.
Sorry. I said what's it called? It's just an early morning. And it's what's it called? My biggest pet peeve is time. Where if I say we have to leave by 6:30 and we're leaving at 6:31, I feel bad for everybody around me, because I start getting like those parents are like, come on, let's go. I don't raise my voice, but I will constantly repeat every 5 seconds, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Yes, it's very, very exciting morning when she does that.
Yeah.
It's always a good
Nobody
time.
likes it. The girls don't like
It's
it
always a good
especially.
time.
But I said we gotta leave at 6:30. We gotta leave at, that means we're in the car driving out at 6:30. I'm very specific. So listen, if it wasn't for women, mothers,
That's why they say women. You can't live with them, you can't live without them. I don't know what's going on TikTok right now. It's just
that's
crazy.
what I say about men. Just kidding.
And TikTok's giving me issues right now.
Our one thing I don't like about our girls' schools is the time difference.
Why am I frozen?
Oh my, yeah, for real, you have nice eyes.
Why am I frozen? My camera's frozen now. What is going
God's
on
saying,
here?
let me have my moment.
Why is no one paying attention to me? All right, we went right down to that MOAS target.
Oh, the opening? Oh.
Yeah, my camera's completely froze right now. I don't know why. I look like I'm sleeping.
Yeah. I'm not gonna lie. I wouldn't say it's about patience with children.
It's about patience with the NQ.
It's just, I don't know how to explain it. It's not that we don't have patience for the girls or kids. It's,
Oh, what is up right now with my camera?
I guess self-control is with more us. Why am I there double?
Where?
Oh, I was double.
You were double for a second, but now I have no camera.
I don't
know
think
what
parents are automatically.
Wow, the market's dumping.
Oh yeah.
That is crazy.
That's what I'm saying. It's not the sound.
Trying to see if we can get a move. See if we get any trades going.
Sorry.
Keep talking, babe. Keep talking. I'm trying to fix this camera.
Sorry, I'm
here.
trying to get my train of thought.
Yeah, keep talking. Gotta figure out what's up with my camera. My camera completely froze.
I forgot what I was saying.
Always something. Streaming's so fun.
I really forgot what I was
happened
saying.
right on the open.
Dang, that thing went down. Down to Chinatown. Have you guys ever been to New York and down to in Chinatown in New York?
To buy some fake Louis.
I mean, I would. I'm not paying the full price.
Red bottoms is all I wear. That's all I wear.
When we went to Curaçao, my husband, we went to a store and they had a lot of outfits that were like,
Bougie.
they had some really like, it looked like Louis Vuitton. No, Versace.
What's
Or
that
Louis
word,
Vuitton.
man?
I don't know the
All
difference.
right, we're short, baby. We're short, baby.
Oh yeah, we are. And my husband. Have you guys ever watched Jersey Shore? Mike from Jersey Shore. Mike
The situation, man. The situation.
If you guys have watched Jersey Shore Family Vacation,
Who doesn't
which,
watch
listen,
Jersey
this
Shore?
is my childhood. I'm gonna watch it, and just see how they are as adults and parents. Mike, the situation, wears a lot of very interesting clothing, and they're very name brand style, like Versace is very out there. So there was a shirt that looked just like one of the Versace shirts that he was wearing to the mansion in Miami. And my husband's like, I'm gonna get that. I'm gonna start dressing like Mike.
I'm gonna start dressing like the situation. I am, guys. What would you guys see me drip down in Versace?
No.
Fake Versace,
Guys,
though, not
help
real
me out.
Versace.
Say no.
Fake Versace. I can't afford that real stuff.
I just thought it was funny.
Yeah, it's pretty funny. We got markets right now pushing hard here, about to break this trend line that we've been forming. This Tory trend line here we've been forming.
Oh,
What a move.
I think this is Joy who said, "Come on, smooth, you interrupted." I really wanted to hear.
Keep going,
what she
baby.
was gonna
Tell
say.
him. Tell him.
I know it has something to do with the girls' schools. This is like the parents' nightmare for schools. We have a high school kid and we also have a middle school kid. And their schools for the next 3 years are going to be a nightmare for us because they're an hour and a half difference. Our oldest goes to school we have to leave her by 7. And our youngest has school, we have to leave her by 8:50. And I'm like, oh gosh. And then we have to pick them up, one at 2 and then the other one at 4. So pray for us.
Yeah, we're gonna be all over the place.
Yeah. So him and I are trying to coordinate times to pick them up and all that stuff.
Yeah, market's dumping. Market's moving.
Yeah. I want it to keep going though.
Yeah, market's moving.
I took some pictures of them
Yeah.
today.
You took some pictures of them?
Of the girls. You were there.
You did?
Yeah.
Nice, thank
I'm
you.
trying to post them, but our teenager, she's not beat for pictures.
She's like, I'm good.
She's like, I'm good. I'm like, show me some teeth. No.
So funny. Kids these days, guys. Kids these days, I'll tell you.
Yeah. Showing teeth is apparently not chic.
Yeah.
What? Joey hates pictures?
Yeah, so you don't like being on camera. I'm trying to get this guy to come on camera. Show his grill.
Oh my gosh, speaking of girls, remember when Kayla once put foil on her teeth as girls?
I think everybody has done that.
Yeah, that's so. Have you guys ever done that growing up? Or maybe even now?
Put like the gum foil, like from
Oh
the
yeah, no, I actually
From
put
like a-
actual foil on my teeth.
from like a Big Red or something.
And it hurt.
Oh yeah, no, I've never done that. That's crazy. You wild for doing that.
Oh, Joy says I don't post on social media or anything. Yeah,
Oof.
smart.
Dumping. Man, she's
Come on,
dumping.
Come on.
Come on, we need this hit down to 700. Let's go.
Hopefully you guys are in this short and make profit.
Yeah, make some profits, guys. Make some profits. Make your profits, bro. Yeah, market is dumpy right now.
Oh, Safia said, what's fake in your eye is real in someone else. Yeah, that's true. Oh, good morning, Kamal. Come on.
Market's dumpy right here.
Please don't do this to me this morning.
She does it every morning,
You did
babe.
it to me yesterday. Don't do it again.
She
Please.
does it every morning.
Thank you. Jesus, take the wheel. Can't enjoy today. He's like, I just want to focus on trading and then disappear from everyone. Oh my gosh, speaking of sarcasm or thinking of sarcasm, I asked my husband for a birthday present if to not be sarcastic.
It's too much to ask.
Pray for me, everybody. Pray for me. It was successful.
I gotta draw the line somewhere.
Yeah, and then today you were doing it, and already I gave you the face like, can you just do it for the year or for the rest of my life?
I will, babe. I will. Don't worry. I'll change who I am for you.
You can still be sarcastic, just not with me.
Market's dumping still, man. She's a dumping.
Oh my gosh, imagine you were
What are we
sarcastic
doing
with your
here?
parents. Do you guys do jokes with your parents?
Of course they do.
And do your parents like it?
They love it.
My family and I are mean sarcastic, like really mean sarcastic to each other. I'm not gonna give you guys an example, it's not nice.
All right, market's moving a little bit here, bouncing off this 690 level.
Now it's gonna go back up.
It might. It's got a chance here of moving back up to about I'm thinking 750s. We'll see what happens at the 750s. That was a good move. How much did we make on that trade? Still down a little bit, but it was a nice hit.
I think 66 is what it's
Yeah.
on
It was a nice hit.
here. Oh my god, I'm sorry.
How's everybody feeling this morning? You guys doing all right?
Yeah. Oh, Joey says he barely talks to his family. I was gonna say something funny about that, but I'm running on little sleep. Plus, I'm not the funny one in the family.
Man, this thing's going. We got another MOAS right now to the downside, printing on the 1 minute. Sorry guys, I have not checked out your chats. If you guys need me, Mrs. Smooth will keep her eyes on the chat, babe. Can you keep your eyes on the chat? Cause
Yes.
thank you, babe. I appreciate it. Cause I am watching trades right now. I appreciate you, darling.
I think it's trying to go
Keep them
sideways now.
entertained. By the way, my wife, when she gets anxious, she makes me clean the entire house. She had me clean everything this morning. Everything, guys. I'm just
You just
kidding.
had to lift stuff.
I know, I just had to lift stuff. I was just kidding.
Yeah, I get anxious for a lot of things.
I wouldn't change her for the world.
Aw.
All right, we're dumping. We're dumping and we're pumping.
There was something I had to do, I just forgot.
That was an aggressive move there, man. Really aggressive. Okay, do we get a push here? So we might get a little bit of a push. Buyers coming back in. Could hit that 740, 750 level. Look at that.
You guys have any plans for this weekend? Even though it's Tuesday?
Of course they do, babe.
Hmm?
Of course they do. Everybody plans their weekends on Mondays and Tuesdays. I'm sorry, babe. That was
See what
that
I
was the wrong. That was sorry. I just proved you right. I just proved you right. I just proved you correct. All right.
I mean, I want to go to the beach. I gotta get this tan going.
We got to keep it going. You mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can't lose that 10. I paid a lot for that 10. We really did.
See what I mean?
That's not a sarcasm, though. That's truth.
No, it's truth, but with sarcasm.
No, you call everything sarcasm. You can't group every comedic style into sarcasm.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're looking a bit dumpy here.
Safe said also your voice getting echoed. My voice or my husband?
Mine or yeah, find out, and then I'll unplug one of the microphones and plug it back in. Maybe we're having an
try
issue.
to do it like this. So.
Yeah, that's funny.
There was something like that somewhere.
Yeah, that's funny though. Good job.
Oh, Miss Smooth. Really?
Okay, unplug yourself, babe, and then plug yourself back in.
Sorry.
Because you keep messing with that microphone. No, you're good.
Wait, can you guys hopefully. Or should I just keep it closer?
We might get a rejection off that 760. That is that Tory trades trend line there that could have a little rejection to it.
Oh my gosh, overnight it went straight.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Overnight it went straight, what, sideways?
Yeah.
Yeah, it did go kind of sideways.
Wow. Safe said, also no rush but smooth if you can help with above message regarding pausing STC.
Mm-hmm.
Hold on, let me check with that. Sorry, I am sorry. I missed it. Oh, he said, hey Smooth, how do I manage my membership for STC indicator? I am traveling for 6 months out and won't be able to trade, so wanted to pause/cancel and restart when I get back.
Just tell them to open up a ticket. Oh, Sage, just open up a ticket in Discord. I got you.
I mean, you said it.
Yeah, open up a ticket in Discord. I'll help you out. Market is chopping right now. They're trying to break this 760 level. I don't know who's going to win here.
My gosh, my mom's lecturing me on me saying abuela instead of
Your aunt.
Yeah, it's so funny. I'm 33 years old and I still get lectured.
Of course, man. That's what moms are good for.
Okay, like I can't. My aunt yesterday told me happy birthday. I didn't see it till just now, which is not good. And we have a family group chat. My mom just lectured me saying, you don't say their first name. You say tia, which is aunt in Spanish.
Which is aunt.
Yeah, so I just got lectured.
Your auntie said happy birthday.
Yeah. Yeah, I agree, Joey. I don't like the look of it either. Oh, Safe said we'll do. Promise I'm not going away. I love this community. Just going to Pakistan to take care of my... Oh, that's sweet of his grandma.
No, you're good, bro. We trust you. Safe.
Yeah.
You're good, my brother.
Hopefully your grandma's okay.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, I just had a guy on our basketball squad. We play basketball every Sunday. His uncle just died a couple weeks ago, and he traveled to Haiti to go and be with the family. So yeah, it sucks, man. But yeah, we'll pray for you.
Yeah. By the way, I have to be done at 12 to get things done before I pick up Kayla.
You do?
Yeah. Is there any news, babe?
Huh? Today? I'll check it 1 second, baby. Wow, what a dump. What a dump.
Sorry, I have to send a picture.
And things are getting dumpy right now, guys. Holy smokes.
I have to send a picture of my kid's schedule with her room classes because she didn't know where to go. Oh, she has no internet.
Things are getting real crazy right now. We got a 36 right now in the 1 minute ATR. We got that MOAS that's pointing down to about 29,588. Is Johnny in any more trades at the moment? Not yet. Still waiting. Okay, Johnny. I respect that. I respect it. I think we can get a little bit more down to about 29.6 for sure. I think that is going to be a move we're going to see. Wow, it is dumping off of Clifford.
Sorry guys, I always want to make sure the kids have everything they need just in case.
I think it might push a little bit more here. Yeah, pretty hard move to the downside.
Is anybody in a trade right now?
Yeah, right now the market looks like it wants to possibly pop a little bit. Did sweep some liquidity. Let's take a quick look. Johnny's not in the trade just yet. Took a nice short earlier though. Johnny did take a nice short earlier. All right, we'll see what happens here.
Joey says I don't like the looks of this. Yep. Safe says CPI tomorrow and prop firms restricted trading from 7:25 to 7:35 a.m. Central Standard Time.
Which prop firms?
CPI.
No, which prop firms restricted trading
I don't know.
for that long? That's a long time.
Kamal says, I'm done. 1 mini, 30 points across 10 accounts.
Nice job, Kamal.
Yeah.
What a monster trading day.
And then Paul says, oh, he's long. Okay.
Paul's long and strong. Good for you, my brother.
He's long till 7774 Ave. What does that mean?
What, babe?
What does that mean?
What does what mean?
He said, ES, I'm long.
He's long.
7774 Ave.
Average. Av?
Well, the numbers, I don't get it.
Yeah, he's long. He's long on the ES. From that number, from that price.
Oh, okay. And he said, Paul said, 10 a.m. existing home sales.
Oh, we do have existing home sales? Okay.
Yeah. He said estimated 4.05 million prior to 4.09 million. And then 10 a.m. existing home sales. He said MOM, mom?
Month over month.
Oh, for July prior, 2.4%. He said it seems like it's gonna chop, and I'm not willing to be part of it.
Yeah, I could.
And Safe said top step.
Top Step, yeah, Top Step's been real strict with the rules recently. They widen their gap for news. I don't think it's an hour, but I do think it's 20 minutes. I think it's 10 minutes before and 10 minutes after, if I'm not mistaken. Getting a big old chop here. Let's see who's actually in control. Johnny has not taken another trade since that one this morning here at the open. At least I don't think he has. Yeah, he hasn't. All right, market just ripped here a little bit. 1 second, guys. Sorry, guys. All right, he called me again. Hello? Hola, Papa. ¿Ah? Dice, no, sí, ¿por qué? ¿Qué pasó? ¿De verdad? ¿Y la animó? Ok, entonces,
Oh, sorry.
it's chopping here, waiting for that 10 a.m. news probably. Let's see what happens here. Market's kind of choppy. Kind of choppy. It's like the buyers don't want to give up just yet. Buyers are absorbing.
First stop says good morning. Good morning.
All right,
First
all right.
stop.
Okay.
Abel says 10 minutes. While that is way too long for news to be relevant.
Yeah, exactly. That's a big gap. 10 minutes before and 10 minutes after is what Top Step's doing. That's crazy. That's
Joey
wild
says,
stuff.
I'm just sticking to Lucid. We're about to go in a long.
Oh, we are?
Yeah. Joey says I'm sticking to Lucid, easily the best firm. I mean, I think so. Raphael says good morning, Raphael. The good news says, nice fall. Good morning. He says I'm in a long now, 1 MNQ.
Okay.
What does that mean?
They're long on the Nasdaq on the micro contracts
Oh,
with one contract. All right, the market is gonna open up here. I'm sorry, the news is gonna drop here in just about 3 minutes. Let's see what happens. Did we get into that long, babe, or did it never come
yeah.
to tag us in?
Yeah,
We
yeah.
did?
It was close to it, but for some reason now it's going the other way.
It looks like hopefully we get a TP on that. That would be good.
Oh, Joey says he's gonna go short 737. Paul says he moved up his take short TS. Oh no, sorry, trailing stop. Sorry, thank you.
You're learning, babe.
No, he
No.
said it.
Yeah, but TS, you're learning what everything means now. You did?
Yeah.
What happened?
I'm trying to cut the thing for the grass, but
Okay. All right, we need this little push here to 7-11 on the NQ. Let's go. Come on. Push it. 7-11. Oh, give me a second, guys. Thought I was muted. Sorry, guys. We did get our TP on that, and we are bouncing from the overnight low, which is pretty nice. Let's see if we get any more trades.
Is this good? Just watching.
Yeah, that's really nice.
I know
She's gonna be so
something
embarrassed.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah,
And then I think it ends
Mhm.
like that.
that's awesome, though.
Good?
Mhm.
Okay.
Yeah, we're pushing right back up, close to VWAP.
Excuse me.
This thing pushed all the way back up to VWAP. That's good. So we're even on the day, pretty much up a couple hundred. Oh, actually, we're up 123 from the overnight. Three, four, one, boom. All right, I'm just opening up another trade day account. I'm starting a new type of strategy where I'm using minis on manual trading with small TPs, small size trades, 20 points at a time. Okay. Yeah, market ripped right back up to the VWAP, which is nice. Took off there. I don't know about any existing home sales if that had anything to do with it, but it did just rip. Very nice. Yeah, I think we can head up a little bit higher.
Patty's calling me.
Patty, oh, hope she's ready to trade.
Yeah. Hello? Hello? Hey, how are you? You're good.
Okay.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Nice move here. Market's ripping. Good push to the upside.
Oh. No,
Let's take a quick look at this 15 minute.
Yeah, give it time because my thing sometimes takes forever. Okay. Amen to that.
Yeah, nothing yet on a 15 minute. 15 minutes a little indecisive right now. All right, we are pushing right back up to test this Tory trend line here at 760s. There is a little bit of going to be some resistance here because this was that pattern I was talking to you guys about earlier. It just stretches for a couple days there. It's trying to break back into it. And also this is the VWAP and the daily open. So it's going to be a very tricky area here. Very, very choppy area. I'm assuming we're going to get a lot of chop here. Joey, about to get stopped out. I'm sorry to hear that, brother. What's up, the good news? Good, we'll take TP here. Good for you. I'm glad you got some money on that. What's up, Sam B? That is what I do. Minis for 20, 30 points. Nice, Raphael. Can't trade micros a lot. Oh, always lost? Yeah, I know. Sometimes the micros just takes way too long and you end up getting impatient. It's been a while, man. What's up, Rashid? How are you? Man, since I last traded, took a break for almost 3 months because of the market and Trump's manipulation. Do you recommend me coming back? I recommend you coming back slowly. Come back into it with maybe some paper trades for a month. And then once you feel confident with this market, with the way it's moving, then go into like a 25K eval. Something like that. Something with Lucid. All the links to the best accounts are pinned in the chat. Sam B, you haven't traded yet? On daddy duty, making oatmeal for the kids. Oh, you can't beat that, dude. There's nothing better than being a daddy. And Abel's done for the day. Missed the shorts because I looked away for 1 second. Thankfully, got longs up 300-ish on 25 accounts. Nah, you killed it, brother. Entered, taking a 780 TP. Sambi, nice, man. Nice. You already made your money. Sambi already hit his target. Look at that. we have any other trades on right now? Let's see. Let's see if we have any other trades on. You're muted, right, babe? Yeah, looks like we are in another trade. Or are we? Hey, I'm long? Where's my stop loss on this? Where's my stop loss? That's strange. I'm long, but I don't have a stop loss. What is that about? Yeah, that would have wrecked me. I'm gonna put a stop loss in. I don't know what happened to the stop loss. I don't know if it never hit. This is weird. Okay, whatever. I guess we weren't that long. But I am looking to take a possible. Yeah, we're pushing here pretty hard. Things not slowing down one bit. Let's see if they get a little bit of a magnetic pullback to the VWAP at 760. Not ready to come back down. Market's still very pumpy here. Might give us a little push here back to VWAP. We'll see. VWAP sitting at 760. That daily open sitting at right at that Tory trend line too at 765. You have a short scalp down to 775. Nice, nice, Sambi. I think Border Patrol is going to break at 780. See if the sellers have enough strength here to push it down even close to VWAP. I entered long for 800. 4 contracts on the NQ. Nice, dude. Damn, Sambi. All right, let's see if we can get a bounce off the VWAP. Sorry about that, guys. The vacuum is running around here. Come on, NQ. Stop chopping already. I know you love to chop, but come on now. I'm not sure what those existing home sales said. Let's take a quick look. Usually not a market mover. Okay. Existing home sales came in at 4.06, expected 4.05, so just a little bit more than what was expected. That shouldn't really have a big impact on markets, but hey, anything's possible. We're getting a holy chop right now. Holy chopperonis. The vacuum's low. Thanks. Appreciate that. I might have entered too early, safe, but I will trust my edge. Okay, Sambi. Yeah, markets are going to move a little sideways here, I think. There is no real rush for it to keep going higher at the moment. It could go give us a little bit of a sideways move before going higher. We'll see. All right. Okay. Sellers are starting to come in. Hmm?
Mine do too sometimes. That's funny. No, mine would be on all day, man. I hate the heat. I mean, I love the heat, but not in the house.
Market's coming back down. We do have a trade on right now, long.
Oh my gosh. I mean, I have cold hands. Lewis knows that. You're so funny. My hands.
You should let everybody hear your conversation, babe.
What, babe?
You should let everybody hear your conversation.
Yeah.
Because they just see you randomly laughing right now.
I'm not.
Oh, you're not muted?
No.
Oh, I thought you were.
No. They love hearing my voice.
They
I'm
love
just kidding.
hearing your randomness. Okay. All right, we're getting a little bit of buy pressure coming back in after that VWAP tap. Very, very nice.
What did Sandy say? They said we are accumulating right now, but I'm committed like my marriage. Aww. Oh. No, we were in one like 10 minutes before you called. It was a short one though. Waiting for the next one, if you know what I mean.
Okay. Yeah, we see a little bit of buying pressure here. Strength coming in. This is going to be a major chop level here, guys, as I'm just telling you. So be careful. You don't need to enter a trade right now. Just be careful here because we do have Tory's trend line. We have VWAP. We have daily open. And there's a lot here. Even the 21 is here now. So there's a lot here. Let's see. The 15-minute orbs are down at 680. The other one's at 840. Let's look at the 15-minute real quick and see what's in here.
You know, truthfully, babe,
Yeah.
not that I'm thinking about it, because his brain never stops thinking for some reason.
We stop what?
I think I'm gonna, while you're up at 5, I think I'm just gonna go to like this, I can't go to the 6:30 class, because I was gonna stay with Catalina at home.
Okay.
I was gonna say, since you're gonna wake me up anyways at 5.
I am going to wake you up. You might as well go to the 6:30 class. Yep, that makes sense.
But I can't, because you have to leave at 6:30 to take her.
Mm.
I'm not leaving.
Oh, you can't do that either. Yeah, no.
That's what I'm saying. Like, stinks.
We'll figure it out today afterwards.
Yeah. If I wake up early, my husband can stay sleeping. But if my husband wakes up early, I just can't stay sleeping. I don't know what's wrong with my brain.
It's your anxiety. As a mom, as a woman, like, oh my God, he might leave the lights on. I gotta get up.
You know what's crazy? That's true. Oh, that's so late. It was about to go in a short. You saw that?
No.
And it already hit the TP.
Oh, so we made some money on the trade?
No, it was missed.
Oh, we missed it?
It has to be. Yeah, it just skipped it because it went so quick.
I don't see us going into a trade.
No, the 15-second
Yeah.
or the 1 minute, whatever it's called.
The 15-second?
It was gonna go in a short for the 1 minute.
Oh, but it went too quick. I see it here.
Yeah, it went too
too quick. Yeah. Yeah, I didn't read the delta
I don't know why I'm
correctly.
being so loud right now.
Yeah.
Sorry. Sam B says that is every woman facts. I don't know why. I know it's bad for women to micromanage, but like,
It's so bad.
my husband
gives you wrinkles.
forgets things that are right in front of him sometimes.
Not true.
And I look at him and I'm like, why?
Fake
But
news.
Why? Like yesterday we had our table extended because we have family visiting. And I kid you not, if I didn't ask him to put it away, it would have been there for like another month. So I had to tell him to put the extender away.
What would I do without you? What would I
See the
do?
sarcasm?
No, I'm being honest. What would I do without you?
Yeah.
Wouldn't be an easy life.
You're so funny. There's a shirt, and what's it called? Remember that shirt from Aruba that guy gave us from Sexy Shrimp?
Which one?
The one about the husbands? Like, ladies, you don't have to remind your husband 100 times or whatever times to do something. He'll get it done within 6 months.
No. Yeah.
That's what it said.
No, it said something like you don't have to remind your husband every 6 months.
Oh,
He was gonna get to it or something like that. Something like that.
Yeah, but if I gotta remind you every 6 months, it's because you didn't do it when I told you.
Yeah, I mean, I get it. I believe me, I know.
Oh my goodness. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we're at VWAP right now. No rush, guys.
Blood pressure? Oh, I gotta.
We're at
get my nurse
VWAP.
to
We're
take
at
your
daily
blood pressure,
open.
man.
So much going on here. This is gonna act ugly.
Damn. My mother-in-law is.
Women can see
up
what men
there.
can't. It balances each other out. Yeah, I've come to learn that. Samby, you taking another short at 765?
The woman can see what men can't. It balances each other. I said that to my youngest today. I was like, listen, when you get married, you'll need a lot of patience for your man, which means there's going to be things you're going to have to remind him of. Especially one of them is how you guys are with each other. And with children, oh, God help you.
Yeah.
Because women are nurturing by nature. Men are not. They have to learn that.
Correct.
So I said, USA, whenever you lose your patience. Babe, that was funny.
I'm sorry, I wasn't paying too much attention. I'm watching the charts. Forgive me.
Thanks. You're forgiven for
Thank
now.
you. All right, we're getting that dumperoni cheese down to 720 possibly here.
Did you just say pepperoni cheese?
Dumperoni and cheese.
Oh, I would like some pepperoni
Yeah.
pizza.
Yeah. What are we doing? Still chopping this VWAP. They are getting dirty here.
I don't get it.
What's
What
up
does
then?
Raphael mean by Miss Smooth? How was the red sauce yesterday?
What does he mean?
I don't know what that
Because I
means.
made the marinara sauce yesterday. I made
Oh, yeah,
everything.
because we said it in. Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, I made chicken parm
It
yesterday,
was
guys.
good. It was really good. I'm grateful my husband knows how to cook. Because there's days that I really don't want to.
It was her birthday yesterday. I want to
So
make
I'm
my
very
wife cook on her
grateful.
birthday.
I'm grateful I either have my husband or my mother-in-law. I'm very grateful for that.
Yeah.
I don't take advantage of it often, but when I need it, they're willing to help, and I'm so grateful.
Yeah, we got you, bro.
Joey says, Miss Smooth hungry? Yup.
She's
Want
what
some
woman
pizza?
isn't always hungry? Even skinny women are like always hungry, but they are like fighting that inner struggle.
Ask a woman, and there was a TikTok that I did a long time ago, maybe 4 years ago, and it was saying like men think that what a woman wants is to find the perfect guy. No, it's to eat without getting fat, and that's
Gaining weight.
facts. Like
Yeah.
I would rather. I'm sorry, food, bring the food, but don't bring the weight.
Yeah. It's eating without gaining weight. That is
Yeah,
every
girl.
woman's fantasy.
Sam B says, a man can fix a broken sink and it will never leak again, but won't even say thank you for fixing, but complain because the vanity mirror is off a centimeter or two.
Yeah, that is true.
That's
Women do stuff like that.
I said that to him this morning. He was putting up our banner for first day of school, and I was like, babe, it's crooked.
Yep.
I didn't mean to.
It was crooked.
Oh, he said he got the win on the 765 pullback entry, then going down to TP. That's good.
Nice, bro.
Joey says once you get to know a woman, some of them can be eaters.
Once
Yo,
they get
all I heard was Patty in the back.
once they get comfortable, they're like, yeah, it's okay if I have that extra brownie. Once you've been married long enough.
Oh, my always, guys. Patty's back. We're finally together again.
Patty's back.
I feel like it's been forever from this damn vacation. Oh, Paul says more Trump talk, bearish.
Oh, yeah. Careful with
Right.
Trump, guys. He's always talking smack.
Paul said a gas station in upstate New York offered customers a 20% discount if they showed off their best dance moves. Really?
Really?
Yeah, he sent
That's
a link
great.
from X.
That's great marketing.
Yeah.
How about you guys show us your best dance moves? I'll post it on our socials.
Yeah.
Come on, guys. You can do it.
Facts.
Record yourselves doing like the
Oh,
Macarena or something.
Macarena? Yeah, babe.
Or the...
Joey says, I'm red $2. What will I ever do? Think I'm gonna go 3 mini deep.
Oh, no,
Minis
Joey,
deep
don't do
now.
it. There's another day, bro. You live to trade
What does
another
that
day.
mean?
Nah, he's just overreacting to being down $2. He means he's going to go with a huge position size. He's going to go full Kelly. Don't do it.
And then San B says 735 my next TP.
735? Nice.
Yeah.
Good for you, Sambizi. See, there is some possibility we could come down and hit that previous day low again, 720. See if the sellers are resilient enough here to push it down at 720.
Oh my gosh. Patty, I was telling Luna, she's really overweight. Really overweight.
I've been feeding her less, by the way.
Yeah,
I
but
don't
she
know if you
doesn't work
noticed.
out at all. At all. So
Take her to Burn with you.
She's doing this thing now where she's breathing like her what's it called? She's like, what's that word where you're
Snoring?
not snoring, but like even when she's laying down with us or whatever, she's always making noise. Like she's having a hard time breathing.
Wheezing?
Wheezing, thank you, wheezing. So she keeps wheezing, and clearly it's because she's out of shape. Technically, I asked Grok, and Grok said it's gonna happen for a dog that's not supposed to be 6 pounds overweight, and I have to get her to run
Yeah, she's
3 times a day.
She's technically 30% overweight.
So, I'm not gonna lie though, you see her belly right now? She look like a big bag.
She looked like a pot-belly pig.
But it's so funny. I just gotta get her to work out. And if I don't, it's gonna hurt her hips,
Her hips?
something like that.
Yeah, because she jumps off the couches still.
Yeah. Oh, goodness. But this dog just loves to eat. Gosh. Joey says, why are we chopping?
Why are we chopping? Because we're so close to the VWAP.
Exactly. Oh, the 15 seconds on a trade.
Is
On
it?
a long.
It's on a long? Yeah, we're in a chop zone. Super chop zone.
Should I? No, it's too late now.
Should you what?
I'll then tell Patty to go in it.
Yeah,
Yeah, don't go long because it's already more.
it's already
than
about the
half
TP, close to TP.
on. Okay. If you want to go, you should go in right now. No, it is choppy, yeah.
Yeah, it's too close to VWAP, and it's just doing wicks on both sides right now.
A little bit?
It's too choppy. It's doing wicks on both sides.
Yeah. Shocked they didn't put me in one. Joy says we're chopping because everybody's clueless.
Nobody knows what they want to do.
And Joey says we're chopping because everybody's clueless. I wish I was funny. I'm just mean sarcastic. Sanby says, short answer, Joey, accumulation, then manipulation going to come to trick people. Then the real distribution going to happen. This market's so beautiful.
Did we go to TP? Almost?
No.
It's going? It's going?
Almost. It's like what it did yesterday.
Yeah, it's close.
Oh,
we
you
got
got it.
Nice.
No.
Yeah. What's our P&L
No,
on that right now?
It didn't put me in that one.
You got in
It's
that
okay.
trade?
That's good.
You were in that trade?
No. The indicator was.
Oh, but you weren't.
No.
Oh, what the heck? Yeah, because I'm looking at my P&L and I'm not in. I didn't
No,
get
don't
it.
go now.
Yeah, the market is something's going on with that market.
Yeah, Lewis isn't trusted either. I'm shocked it got it though. It went sideways for like, what, almost 30 minutes?
Yeah, it went sideways here for a while.
Mm. Yeah. Sam B says, here's a manipulation right now on this candle on 1 minute. Yeah, for real. And then Joey says, yeah, well, they better figure it out. I got places to be. Maybe we are bull flagging? What does that mean?
I'm not sure. What did he say? Sam B said something?
Joey says, yeah, well, they better figure it out. I got places to be. And then he said, maybe we are bull flagging.
Yeah, bull flagging is a structure. I'll explain to you what that is in just a minute.
Mm-hmm.
Sam B says, here is the manipulation right now on the candle on the 1 minute.
Yeah.
Yeah, manipulation is when you're... There's a different stages of the market. Market move consolidates, it manipulates, it distributes. So each one has its purpose. So consolidation is when people are thinking the market's going to go up or down, and market makers are just keeping it at a certain level. Participants are just agreeing that price is decent in this area. Like a lot of people think it should go up, a lot of people think it should go down. It's also called equilibrium because it's very even. A lot of people think it's going to go up, a lot of people think it's going to go down. So market makers take advantage.
The long stopped.
Market makers take advantage of that because a lot of orders are placed.
Where's that?
So what they do after that is they manipulate, which means they move it into a certain area. They might move it up or they might move it down. But a lot of times that is the manipulated move because then it reverses and goes in a different direction. So let me draw what that looks like for you guys. Let me draw what that looks like. Okay, so we get this area here of consolidation where it just chops. And then you get a manipulation move, which might be to the downside. And then everybody piles in short because they think that's the direction for the day. And then it comes right back up and rips to the upside. And that's the distribution where it starts to distribute all the profits that it wanted to get earlier. So we got everybody basically. They got shorts and longs. You're short right now?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
And
That
then,
was a
TP
pretty bad
is
example of, but
705.
that's more or less what it is.
And stop is 785. Please don't let me down in queue.
What time does Night Trader come on? Night Trader comes on at between 6 to 8 p.m. He usually starts, either he starts at the Globex Open, or he comes on at 8 p.m. the Tokyo Open. And thanks for being here, Vanessa.
Oh my gosh, you want to hear something funny?
What's that, baby?
Paul said, if you're not supposed to eat at night, why is there a light bulb in the refrigerator?
If you're not supposed to eat at night, why
That's
is there a
really
light bulb in the
good
refrigerator?
one.
Don't say that to women, man. They would be like, oh, see, now I can start eating.
No,
at
don't
night."
say that to the girls.
Yeah, don't say that to my daughters for sure. That's the only time they
love
want to
eating
eat.
at night.
Yeah, that's the only time they want to eat.
Goodness. That was it.
That's a good one, Paul. Why do you drive on the parkway but park in the driveway? I have no clue. Why is that, babe?
Where'd you get that from?
That's the oldest one ever. 725 is a liquidity pool, says Samby. Okay. Waiting to be grabbed, Mrs. Smooth.
Cool.
It is going to pull back and then hit beyond liquidity, grab some more. Your camera died, babe?
I guess.
Oh,
I didn't even
sucks.
know it was.
Let me see what's
charging.
going on. No, it's supposed to be charged all the time. Let me see what's going on with your camera.
I think I'm glad you guys missed me picking my nose. I'm just kidding.
Yeah.
Yeah. That doesn't. That's not important though. That's for the light. Yeah. Sam B says, "How was the birthday lunch sandwiches?" By the way, thank you again. I really appreciate that. We are going to try to do that this weekend.
Yeah, because we have family over,
Yes.
so we couldn't really leave the house much yesterday.
Yeah, it was.
But our
him
life
and-
should go back to normal soon.
Him and someone else I forgot. They were so sweet about it.
It was Kamal.
Kamal, thank you.
Yeah, Kamal.
Yeah. I wanted to say Kamal, but I wasn't 100% sure.
Yeah, how dare you forget about Kamal?
So it was really sweet. So
Thank
we're
you,
gonna go
Kamal.
enjoy it this weekend, and hopefully go to the beach because I feel like I'm losing my tan.
You are.
Thanks, babe. Really? One thing. I mean, that helps. Yeah. My legs take forever to tan. Yeah, I so missed hearing that from you.
What's that, babe?
I just haven't heard Patty in a long time, so.
Oh,
it's
you like hearing her voice?
I hear her saying, "No, go down, NQ."
Is she in a trade?
Yeah, she's in the one with me.
We have a short on?
Yeah, you didn't hear me say that?
Oh, no, I was too busy trying to get your camera going.
Well, thank you again,
Well, you
Sandy
you
and
do have
Kamal.
a short on.
We'll let you guys know on Monday next week how they were. You want to try Jersey Mike's for the first time?
Me?
Yeah.
I don't know.
I've never had it, so I don't know. Yeah. I can't mention Subway to my father-in-law. Mind you, we have a Subway like 4 minutes from our house.
No, I would never go eat at Subway.
And if he knew about that, I kid you not, he will take the car every day and go there.
Who, my dad?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I can't eat Subway. No way.
And Sammy says, "Give me 745 TP and Q. Do it for the fellas. Amen."
You need to move down?
I need to move down.
Yeah, I think we all do, huh?
Joey says, "We start chipping 30 minutes after open."
Yeah.
I'm not saying.
It's just this
Suck
range.
a fat one.
Suck a fat one. Who, that was Patty?
No, that was Joey.
Joey
Suck
said
a
it?
fat one and cute.
Joey, do you kiss your mother with that mouth?
You're funny. And then you said actually incredible. Sam B says Jersey Mike's tasty. Everyone keeps telling me that. I'm gonna try it. Yeah, we're gonna try it this weekend.
Yeah, if I'm disappointed, guys, I want my money back.
After you eat the whole sandwich.
Yeah.
Hey, come on, man.
All right, getting a little dumperoni here. Getting a little dumperoni. Started to do the dumperoni. I don't know what happened. It took a pauseroni.
No. Yeah.
Dump it, NQ. Good job, NQ.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
What's our TP? Or your TP on that short? Babe?
Hold, give me a second.
Sorry, guys.
TP is 705.
705 on your
Yeah.
short? Okay.
What you were saying?
Oh, that's a pretty big short.
Yeah. 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 I had to wake up early. I had to do Kayla's hair. She wanted me to do braids on it. She wanted a different type of style. Yeah, but it's really hard because teenagers, they never know what they want.
Yeah.
So we were taking like 10 minutes just to pick a hairstyle.
For real.
And Catalina wanted me to do her hair. And I'm like, bruh, this is a lot. At 5 in the morning. Too early for this.
Sam B, we're accumulation. When did we do? When did we distribute? I thought accumulation comes first.
Catalina wanted her hair straight with curls. I was like, what?
Let's take
But
a
she
quick
never wants the
look.
flat iron on her hair.
Let's take a quick look here, guys. At
What, babe?
let's take a quick look at the stock market and see who's up and who's down today.
Come on, you were just going where we wanted you to go.
I don't know
start
what's
it.
up here. Nvidia's up a bit. Google, Microsoft are down. Amazon's down. SpaceX down 3%, giving back a big chunk. Meta's up
Oh, I gotta
2.3.
work on braids.
And we've got a mixed bag here in the chip sector. Some are green, some are break even, some are red. Tesla's kind of flat, up a little bit.
Babe, can you see the oil from there or no?
Oil?
Yeah.
Oil? What oil?
You always say that like the oil,
You mean like oil, crude oil?
whatever oil you're talking about, that if it goes up, the market's going down and stuff like that.
Oh, okay. You're talking about avocado oil,
No, babe, avocado oil.
coconut oil. I'm just kidding. You're talking about Diddy oil. If Diddy oil prices go up, the Nasdaq goes down, guys. It's
Oh,
just too
okay.
slippery. I'm just kidding. Not Diddy oil. It's just crude oil. So crude oil has been pushing to the upside here all morning. Stuck at the VWAP right now. That's why it's given the NQ opportunity to go higher. But depending on what crude oil does here, if we do get a move down on crude oil, and that could signal a good move for the NQ to go higher. So right now it's a coin flip, babe.
Yeah,
It's a
that's
coin
true.
flip right now. But oil has been trending higher. We'll see. This is on the 30-minute on oil.
Yeah. It's always scary to think of though.
There was a earthquake in Colombia. You guys heard about that?
Exactly. What
That
about
was
your
a
brother?
7.4 magnitude earthquake in Colombia.
Oh, okay. Alright. That's good. You guys have a plan B and a C. Would you ever have her move with you or no? Because of the dog. Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
All right, what are we seeing right now besides this massive chop here at the Tory trend line, daily open, VWAP?
Yeah.
It is crazy the amount of chop we're having here.
Yeah, exactly.
It
Plus
is
it gives
insane.
us
We do have
space
some
where we
imbalances
need
up here, I
space.
believe, though. Let's take a quick look. This area right here still has a big candle to the downside here with, I'm sure, possible imbalances. Let's take a quick look at that.
Come on, man. Come on.
So I'm assuming that the upside's still on the table. Yeah, look at this. All imbalances here, all the way up to 840. All the way to 840. Now, an imbalance, a couple of things I want to explain to Mrs. Smooth and a couple of people watching. Imbalances are areas that were left behind where there were more of one party than the other party. So there's open orders that possibly are still here. So in this case, we had sellers that wanted to sell, but not enough buyers. That's why the price moved down so quickly and sharply. Okay. So you see this shaded area in here. This represents that this is an opportunity for market makers to fill in these orders, because that's what market makers do. They're supposed to facilitate trade. So with this being open here, there's a good chance that we are going to be heading up here at some point today. The problem is that we don't know if it's going to be now or if it's going to be after we come down and maybe fill in this little gap we have in here at 715. There's a little gap in here. I don't know if it has imbalances, but there is a little gap in here. But that's the whole key, is knowing when the market is going to move back up. So that is the key. Right now, if you look at it in the standard candles, you do see there's a little gap here at 707 to 718. So for those of you fair value gap traders, you know, that is something that you may want to look at. There was an inverted fair value gap in here that kind of did its thing here and went up higher. So shout out to any ICT traders out there. But right now we are looking at a possible move on the MOAS right now on standard candles down to 699. On Heikin-Ashi candles, we have a target down to 718, which is previous day's low. So we'll see.
Oh.
What about the unfair value gap? Yeah, those unfair value gaps, those things are very, very secretive about. Don't talk about that, you know. We don't want to give away all our edge.
Yeah, exactly.
Levolution says barcode day for the big news tomorrow. Oh, that is true. We could have a barcode day.
Yeah.
And Q will fill your RAF. That's funny. Pray for Colombia. Yeah, Colombia's had it bad, man. YouTube was delayed. Oh no, hate when that happens. Paul says that NVIDIA, Kathy Wood loads up on NVIDIA. ARK Invest bought 26.6 million of NVIDIA shares while trimming Palantir. Yeah, Palantir has been going sideways, so I think people have been kind of getting bored there. Kathy Woods, I'm surprised. If Kathy Woods can run a fund, I can run a fund. I don't want to use that word because I might get banned here, but she got wrecked. She had some really bad trades. At one point when in the 2022, when the market was doing, no, in 2020, to the lead up of 2022, she could do no wrong. And then 2022 came and she could do no right. And NVIDIA's playing a much bigger AI game. NVIDIA's new $500 billion AI infrastructure financing partnership with Apollo, BlackRock, Blackstone, Brookfield, Goldman Sachs, and KKR. Yeah, NVIDIA is just going to be that forever company, man. I don't know if it's ever going to go anywhere. Yeah, I saw some videos in Colombia too that were really bad. At least Mrs. Smooth can lock in profits just in case with a trail stop near a 725 liquidity pool. You're going to lock in some profits, baby, or you're going to let it roll?
Amen.
She stopped getting those trading signals? Who's that, Joey? We might get the 765 pullbacks, says Safe. We got it already. We're at 765 already. Oh, what's up, Ryan? How you doing, brother? Yeah, we were looking for your stream last night. I don't know if you went on. My wife and I were looking for your stream when we were hanging out for a little bit. Had a late night stream. Oh, you did? How are the markets this morning? Oh, okay.
No, he did go live.
Oh, I didn't see that.
I got the notification later in the day.
Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, I didn't get a chance to watch them. We have family over right now, so they're leaving today, so I'll be back to normal hopefully after today. The markets were pretty good this morning. Right now, a complete chop fest though, because we are at this Tory trend line here. If you guys look at the 30-minute, we have this massive level here that we are just now trying to break back above. So because of it, you know, it's been a real chop fest here. Plus, we have daily and we have VWAP there as well. So pick your poison. There's a lot there. Tesla was the only good trade Kathy had for a long time. Yeah, she got wrecked on so many other ones. She actually managed to call the tops and bottoms on Coinbase, but in the opposite direction. Like she bought the top, sold the bottom. It's crazy. She shops for stops like she shops for groceries. Yeah. And man, I mean, telling you, money just poured into her funds, like I don't know. And her, I mean, I don't think there are any cheap funds out there, but she charges a hefty premium to manage those funds. What's my stop loss on this trade? My stop loss on this trade that we're currently on right now. Let me see. Is at 655. I don't know what happened to my stop loss. It was supposed to automatically be in there.
Oh my gosh.
But for some reason, it's not. I might move that stop loss up, though, to this area here at 717. If we can break these highs, I'll move it.
Babe, are you in a long?
Me?
Yeah.
Babe, this is a different account, babe. You're in a short, right?
Yeah.
Okay, you're in a short. I'm in a long.
Okay, it's a different account.
Over 100 likes last night. Whoa, right. Yeah, the later you get in the evening, dude, the more underserved that market, man. So good for you, brother. I'm very happy for you. 806 is my stop loss. So Sam B.
We got stopped out.
We did?
Yeah.
Yikes. No bueno.
Alright, no worries. Alright.
Joe, you're going to call it a day? Unfortunate chop is happening considering today is the only day I get to trade New York session, but oh well. Yeah, you know, the evenings are pretty good. I've seen Ryan do really well overnight. Oh, it's ripping.
Oh my gosh. Sorry.
They're going.
wants to go in a long.
It wants to go in a long
Like
now?
a short long.
That's a small long.
Yeah. Oh, okay, I'm in a long.
Yeah, markets look like they want those. Looks like they want those 840s, getting all those imbalances we talked about earlier. This is pre-CPI price action. Oh, okay. Yeah, tomorrow morning's gonna be CPI. Huh? Might have to come on early. Oh, actually, I can't. I gotta take the girls to school, but I might be able to come on early tomorrow.
You only take Kayla to school then.
Yeah. What? Yeah. After Kayla, I'm back. I'm back pretty early. Asia doesn't treat you well, Joey? Oh no, we're gonna have to have a talk with Ryan about that. Ryan controls those Asia markets, man. They call Ryan before they make any decisions. Paul says that ES is stuck in a range. Only quick scalps for me. Smart guy. Almost hit my stop loss at 806 SMB. I might just call it a week because I gotta work during New York. Hey, Joey? All right, dude. Well, at least come in and say hi. We always like your banter in here. All right, we are back above Tori's trend line. Is this enough? We do have 2 green diamonds on the 1 minute. We're still chopping here. 800 is still... Oh, hold on, guys. 1 second. All right, good. Sorry, guys. We're back. Market here is still kind of chopping. No real direction. Looks like we were trying to head up to those 840s, but it sure is taking its time. Good morning, Watch Me Fellas, or Watch Me Fails. How you doing, Watch Me Fails? $2 on the day, Joey. Congratulations, brother. Don't spend it all in one place. You know what they say. This week, Asia has been tough. Last week was great. Did you end the night green yesterday, or was it a red day? Oh, it's Mathis Mail. Oh, okay, Mathis Mail. Nice to see you in here, brother. A little selling on ES to hold 7782, says Paul. 790 was hard to break. Now it's making 790 support. Yeah, it looks like it is becoming support here. Or it could be trapping the buyers. All right, take care, Joey. We'll see you, bud.
Bye. Enjoy your day.
Oh, nice, Ryan. Even in a tough market, Ryan squeaks out a win. Good for you, brother. Take care, Joey.
Bye, Joey.
What's up with my trade evade? There we go. Yeah, we could get a pop. I'm thinking we could get a pop around 760. I like 760 for longs. What happened, babe?
I'm in a long, but it's going down, obviously.
It's going down? Sorry. Where's the stop loss?
Huh?
Where's the stop loss?
765.
Okay.
It's like a short one. By the way, I have a question. Remember Starlink?
Starlink?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. Would you ever want to trade it for? Would you ever want to trade Xfinity for Starlink?
I've thought of it.
Because it's in our network.
Yeah, I've thought of it. I just don't know how the actual speeds are. We got to do a side-by-side comparison.
Okay,
And I think it's cheaper, isn't it?
Because we got the okay saying that it's in our network now.
Oh, yeah?
So I don't know if you want to look at it.
Yeah. Anybody here have Starlink for their home internet? Sam B, you still holding your short? Where's your
Says,
TP?
Speeds up to 400 Mbps.
Really?
That's a lot more than what we have now. So I don't know.
Oh, you were short on SpaceX. Nice, man. Yeah, that was a pretty nasty move on SpaceX today.
Dang, man. Should have stopped me out.
Starlink is pretty good if you have clear skies, really. Cannot be so great without a clear view. Oh, okay. We're going to get stopped out there?
Mm-hmm.
On a long?
Alright, I got stopped out.
Yeah?
Alright, I think
Yeah.
I'm just going to call it big.
You're going to go do your thing?
Yeah.
All right. Let
I
Johnny
feel
do
like
the
I'm
heavy
behind.
lifting.
Alright, well,
All right.
have a great day, everybody. I know I said I was going to leave at 12, but I will leave at 12 tomorrow.
Yeah.
Today's the start of a new, what's that called?
School year?
I was going to say, schedule.
Yeah, new schedule.
Yeah, so I'll see you
New
guys
schedule, new
tomorrow.
school
Have
year.
a great day. May you guys have a better trading day, truthfully.
Yeah, it's a tough day
It's 2
today.
days in a
guys.
row.
Tough day today.
I'm going to kill somebody. Alright, guys. Bye.
Okay, babe. Yeah. 806 stop loss, 725 for liquidity grab. Nice, MB. Good call. All right, no bounce just yet. Sam B is enjoying the STC indicator. I'm back in the green on this trade. Good for you, my brother. Yes, followed the script. Did it really? It's looking more bearish now. Okay. Yeah, looks like we are getting a push down. Could go all the way down to 706, 700. Clear up those imbalances first before going higher. Might drag the NQ. Yeah, ES is looking bearish, huh? Not an easy day. Big push. Yeah, could get a pop here from the 700. Yeah, we're quickly getting that move. Let's see what happens at 700. Okay. See if buyers step in here to push it back up to the 740s, 750s. I think they could. 700 is a very psychological level. Maybe some profit taking here before 700. Here come the buyers getting somewhat aggressive. Okay, we're seeing 730s. Okay, buyers are still strong. Okay. They're still flirting with the 700s. Let's see if they can end up getting that bounce. Or is he going to keep dumping? We got targets down in the 690s. So the market could continue to squeeze. Red day today, BP? I'm sorry to hear that, brother. Yeah, we all have those. Yeah, it looks like shorts are still coming in. They could want to push this thing down to 690. Sam B, you were nervous because my kid is sick and entered a bit early this morning, but got that 3K win. Damn, dude, is there ever a day you're not ripping it? Mathis Mel says his account is up 13% today. I'm thinking the market could come down to 690, 680 before we get a real bounce. We'll see. BP says he saw an opening at bearish SMT and I didn't just take the shorts. If you look, NQ made a bunch of lower highs on ES and a bunch of higher highs on. Then the market opened and we dumped. Yeah, the market open was wild. That came out of nowhere. I was not expecting the move to be that violent on the open, but it sure did move. Yeah, we got a crazy open today. Guys, if you wouldn't mind hitting the likes on the stream, that helps us out a lot. Helps us out big time. See if we can get Johnny in here. Oh, that's wrong, Johnny. Okay. Markets still look like they want to come to the downside. Yeah, watch these levels down here, 680, 690. That's where she may pop from. What's halted up? Mathis Mill took half off and wish I had more. Average is 187. You halted at 257. What are you trading? Time to scalp buy? Yeah, scalps are the only way to trade this market right now. Now we have another MOAS on the 1 minute right now. To the downside. Target's all the way down at 609. We have a 580 bigger target. Market's slowing up. We got a 17 right now on the ATR on the 1 minute. So it's a little slow and choppy. Look at that bounce from 700 again. They might be looking for 690 though. They still have that target down there. I'm looking at the 15-second on the Smooth Trader Concepts indicator. 690 looks like where they are trying to take it here in the short term, but maybe even lower before a bounce. So they may want to bounce here, but I think there's still a little bit more manipulation to the downside that could come. It is theirs. Because I was putting into my protein shakes sometimes. No, I don't need it. Thanks, babe. All right, market's getting a little bounce here. Getting some strength. Oh, you were trading PLAG? Yeah, no worries, Samby. Big daily levels at 277, Matt Ismail. Okay, nice, man. Market's ripping right now. We're going back up to the 730s. We are seeing a little bit of support there at the 700 area, and we are climbing. Could be a little bit of a fake out. We'll see. It could be the real deal. That looks pretty good. It looks pretty serious. There we go, 730s. Yeah, we could get a rejection from 740 if we continue moving higher. Okay, babe. Yeah. All right, let's see if we go straight back down or if it's temporary pullback before we hit 740s. Market's looking like it wants to push still. And it's pushing. Yeah, it looks like they could be looking for 690 like we spoke about earlier. Market's getting real heavy here. Yeah. Villa, you're short on ES from 773 or to 773. All right. Don't really have that many targets into the downside here that we haven't hit already, but anything's possible. There's a good likelihood we could be heading up to the 840s here today. Still a whole lot of chop here. This level getting properly manipulated. ATRs are holding steady though at 17.5. It does not look like they want to hold 700. No follow through yet. Real choppy here. Real choppy. Previous day's low is where we at right now. 700. Yeah, it looks like sellers are piling in. Looking like they want to hit 680, 690. Yeah, they're battling for this level, but I think they're going to slam it down at 690. Tough. Are buyers going to come in and shine? Or are sellers going to dump hard on this 700 level? I think sellers got it made here. Wow. Having a hard time breaking 700. See if buyers got what it takes. Still hoping we could see those 840s here at some point. All right, we're seeing some signs of life. My P&L is looking good. Oh, I don't know about that. My P&L is down right now about $142 on the day on this account, and down about 200 on this current trade. So it's not looking the greatest. You see if buyers can pull this off, and if they could, I think maybe 740 might have a little bit of resistance. Buyers are looking a little healthy here. Seller still packing it on. Not enough buyer strength here. Real tricky. Room was long now. Uh-oh, volume dried up, says Paul. And here we'll go down to 790. I mean 690. This is what we're gonna see. Wow, what an absolute chop here. A lot of accumulation right now. But which way will they take it? That is the question. Orders keep piling in around 700. $695 maybe. You can take it to 690s also. 680, 690s. Yeah, here comes a little dump here before the pump. Yeah, they're hitting a brick wall at 700. Yeah, looks like they do want that level there before they go. There goes 690. 695. Wow, 680, 670. Got the overnight low again. Yeah, the trend is to the downside at the moment. So we might be going back for that daily low. Market could go back up to test 700. Nice villa. Good job, man. I hate these rubber band price action days. Yeah, they get on your nerves. You got your 680? Yeah, it looks like we got 680, 660 all the way down to 660. But I really think it wants to go up to the 800s, but it just came down for the, for the sweeps. We could test 700 again, 700, 710. Looks like Johnny went short on that last move. Double dipping a scalp, 700 CP, then reverse for a short back down. Is that your plan? Yeah, it could be. Let's see if we rip it up to 700. Yeah, market's looking real heavy right now. Any pop here is getting sold off. Big green day for me, so I shut it down and I'm holding profits. Nice, watch me, fellas. Yeah, 700 would be nice. Let's see if they come up and tap it. Okay, buyers are coming back in on that move. Pretty strong there, pushing up fast. Big orders. Could be a bull trap. As sellers have dominated this last couple of, this last hour or so. Wow. It's like a bull trap in action we saw play out right there. Johnny's 5 performance this week has not been stellar. I did not have a chance yesterday to review him, but I think he's about break even yesterday, and today he's down about 100 or 200 bucks. But the market has not been very trendy. It's been very choppy, so I can't blame him completely, you know. More downside. More downside. Sellers are relentless here. They tap back into that overnight low there pretty nicely. Twice. Swept the liquidity there on this last candle to the downside. Let's see if they rip it now. Just past the Buonox on that drop. Oh, good job, Ryan. Yeah. Were you trading Buonox on Rhythmic? Yeah, Bullnox is a good prop firm to pass because you can use a lot of contracts on there, and you can pass in one day. But their activation fee is crazy. You traded on Tradeovate. Since when do they have Tradeovate? Did I hit 1 mil yet? No, not yet, man. Pop Tarts. I haven't hit 1 million yet. We're on our way, though. Since when does Bullnox have Tradeovate? They told me they were going to tell me when he got Tradeovate. If Bullnox has Tradeovate, we got 6 accounts there that I just need to activate. Man, this chop here is not good. You connected via NinjaTrader, not Rhythmic? They have NinjaTrader. I know they have NinjaTrader Mobile. But are you using Tradeovate or are you using NinjaTrader Mobile? Oh, thanks, Darlock. I appreciate you. Thank you for hitting the likes. All right, looks like now might be the time that they might try to rip this thing higher. Or is it just another bull trap? 680s just got hit. Maybe we push it up to 700 again. Or 710. Pause long right now, the ES. Nice, brother. All right, buyers are stacked in. Buyers might be locked and loaded here. Can he get 700? Watch 700, guys. Oh, okay. It's on a Rhythmic? Okay, yeah, you had me going there for a minute. You had me excited. Sam B thinks 700 coming. We just got a small MOAS in the 15 second up to 715. Let's see if it'll rip. Buyers need to break 700 here. Okay, good push. Good solid move. 691, 692. All right, we're almost there. Let's see if they can hit 700. Break of structure was the most recent. It always goes back and then back down most of the time. Yeah. We've swept the liquidity there on the 660s. And this could give us a little bit of a solid move higher. Sellers are still strong. What is that about? We got buyers stepping in and then giving up. Not even like one candle later. Now sellers are taking over. It looks to be like another bull trap, unless we're just going to chop here. Yeah, it's tough looking. Yeah. It's probably going to get only uglier here after 12. Very low follow through here on the moves. Last 2 days I've been training myself to hold trades longer instead of scalping. Nice, Sambi. Yeah, sometimes that does work in your favor. It's a big mental game, though. Just like sizing up is a big mental game. You've already got that one checked off. Not sure what we're doing here, but 700 looked like it was a prime target. Not going. Chicken, you want another sweep? Sellers just really coming in heavy now. Yeah, 700 looked good for a minute there, but unfortunately now it doesn't look like it's wanting to go. Mucho chop today. You have a fair value gap from last week down on 440, so we grabbed that today. Yeah, that could be true. Sambi's adding more strategies to his arsenal. Art of War. Yeah, looks like a lot of heaviness. Yeah. You thought we were headed there last night? Yeah, you just never know when. We know eventually price will go in certain places, but we just never know when and how it's going to do it. Yeah, this thing could end up dumping here today. Not looking like a reversal. If it does, it might be quick. Yeah, sellers are strong. They've been taking their protein shakes. Looks like sellers are still dominating, but buyers are not giving up. Yeah, man. Overnight low here has been tapped 3 times. How many times are they going to tap it when you break it? All right. We got a green diamond on the 1 minute. That green diamond symbolizes we got a big push in volume by the buyers. Is it enough, though, to push this to 700? That is the question. Or is that just the last bull trap before the dump. It could be the last bull trap. And she does not want to go. She does not want to go. It's going to end up being a melt off to the downside. My scalper brain showing me I could have had 4 trades already, but I need to master the hold strategy for days like this for watching my kids and trading. Yeah, there's a lot more than one way to skin a cat, Sandy. And today, if you gotta watch the kids, yeah, scalping would be very tough, man. You can't change. It's like trying to catch 2 chickens at once, man. You can't even catch 1 chicken. One day I'm going to try, though. I'm going to try to catch a chicken one day. Look at this thing go. Back down to the 660s, and it's going to dump. Buyers can't hold. Buyers could not hold this level. Buyers simply are just not strong. Yep, they could not. Being a husband and a dad, it's hard at times. It's hard all the time. Well, it could be worse. You know, you could be single and have no kids, man. That's worse. I mean, it gets lonely. You know, the worst punishment you can give a human being is solitary confinement. So think about that. Does not look like the market could break this downward trend we have. Buyers are simply not strong enough. Looks like they got no ammo left. Buyers are looking very lethargic here, but it could come out of nowhere. You done, Samby? Third loss of the day? Hey, baby. The what? A few more minutes, why? No, I have a lot of work to do. What was up? I can't hear you. Okay. Yeah. I'll take it down. Be careful if you do, okay? Because it could strip the paint. All right, let's see if any buy orders come in here. If not, it is a complete wash down to possibly those low 600s. Very thick red wave right now. Yeah, it looks like the ATR right now is kind of disappearing too. We have a 13 on the ATR right now in the 1 minute. That's kind of low. We want to see it above 20. Yeah. Yeah, absolutely no pushes. Yeah, we're back. I think we're back. Are we back? Sorry, guys. My internet went out there for a minute. All right, you got a little bit of surge of buyers coming in. Is this the beginning? We'll pull back to 700s. Another bull trap, maybe? Yeah. Orders come in, but there's no follow through. Just completely more lower lows. Okay, chance to break a little bit of the structure here. Let's see if we can get above the 21. Man, it's like sellers just compiling in. As soon as buyers show up, sellers just come in. Yeah, that's crazy. I usually don't trade Wall Street lunch, but I had to prove to myself I am not soft no more as a trader. Nice, Ambi. I don't think you're soft either, brother. Rumo's added long on the NQ from 669, expecting a sharp pullback to the upside. Nice, Rumo. Yeah, buyers going to show up here, or are they just going to lollygag? I don't know. It's showing some potential. Buyers are starting to absorb on the 1 minute. But can they hold it? Can they hold it? It's all fake. It's all fake. There's no buyers. That was just a fake out. Sellers are still coming in very strong. Sam B was not on the live today. He was here in the stream. He was on the live a couple weeks ago. NQ made 3 lower lows and the ES made 3 higher highs. There's a complete disconnect right now, huh? Complete disconnect. NQ wants nothing to do with the upside. Here I am thinking he wanted the 840s today, and they just keep going down, 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 down. Looks like they may want the 640s before want the 840s. Nothing. Not a chance here. Not a chance for the buyers. Not even a chance. Yeah, this is just a complete melt-off. No pops, nothing. Yeah, looks like they want it. They want those lower lows. Yeah, ES is on a complete different wavelength here. ES is curling up, and Q is just dead. I don't know what the NQ is smoking. All right, at least we're gonna. Johnny's gonna get his TP here, hopefully. That'll be nice. Jeff Cohn, welcome to the stream, brother. Thank you for being here. Yeah. Markets are moving, but they're moving very slow and grindy. Okay, buyers is pushing a little bit there. See if they are rejected at that overnight. Okay, they're still pushing through. $680s could be next. Yeah. The boring chop to the downside, the boring consolidation to the downside could be just what the market makers are trying to do here in order to rip this thing up fast. So we'll see. 680 could be a target here. And there it goes. $680 is pushing. All right. Let's see what they do. It is the 15-minute orb, and they're trying to break back above it. That 15-minute orb, if they do succeed to break above the 15-minute orb, what I've noticed is that they've a lot of times will target the orb high. So if they do break back above 680 here and use that as support, they might target the orb high. ES behaving better than the NQ. Tech stocks were weak. Yeah, now it looks like it might be catching up. Could be. Took a lot of targets out on the MOAS on the 15-second. A lot of them were taken out. Let's see where to next. Maybe 680s, 690s. Where's the orb low? The limit to where it goes. This could have been another cruel trick by the market makers. Maybe they don't push it all the way up to 680s, 690s, 700. We'll see. Who's actually in control here? That 15-minute orb is holding us down. But if it does break, we could easily try to come and hit this previous day's low at 715. So that low-hanging fruit might be already picked. Stuck at that orb. NQ is a woman right now, a man eater, perhaps. How's the indicator and about working for you guys? Well, for Johnny today, he's down a little bit. He's down a little bit today on this account. Let me see. This is the one. He's down 400 on that account today. But he's trading a different version of it. Different version that you guys are trading. TD. Today's just a choppy day. It's a very difficult day today. When it does have more direction, it cleans up very well. But everybody has a different way of reading it. Sam B does it totally different than I do. Yeah, he's up $67 on this account from the overnight till now. Yeah, market still looks like it wants more downside. Had a quick pop there to the orb and just got deflated after that. Yeah. We still got that daily low at 630. We got another target here on the MOAS at 611. So it looks like downside is possibly where it wants to go still. Okay, nice push. Could come down to 647, 650. That was that low we just made there earlier. Are they going to try to sweep again? Looks like it went. Okay, buyers are back in this. BP says 29,695. We need to clear the area for more bullish. Otherwise, I'm sticking with bearish. Yeah. Yeah, I'm thinking that if we can't get above this orb low, it's gonna just continue moving to the downside. 680 is that number. Like you're close. You're at 695. I'm at 680 here. If we can't clear that, then it's gonna continue to move down. Yeah, every little move is so weak. See if this market wants to continue moving lower. See, there's no end in sight for the bears. All right, they may want to sweep here to 647 level. It's real close. Okay. See if they get the bounce now. Yeah, you can't find a buyer. You cannot find a buyer in this market right now. This is nuts. Nothing's bouncing. Yeah, I think I'm out of here too, guys. It is 12:20. I think I've worn out my welcome here. Market has not been treating me well today on these accounts. Down 58 bucks on this account, up 67 overnight on this one. The other account, I am up. No, I'm down 400 on this one, but I think we will definitely do better once this short gets hit here. If we get this short down to 619. I did trade some other accounts here manually, and I'll go over those with you right now. These are three take profit trade. I'm sorry, these are three trade day accounts that I'm trading. This one is down 300 bucks at 315. This one's down 315 on the day. This one here is up 800, almost 792 on the day. Oh yeah, I'm sorry, you guys can't see that. My fault. Let me go back to this. Sorry about that, guys. Sorry, this one's up 800 on the day. we got, yeah, that one's up almost 800. This one here, we're down 900 on the day, but we are just about break even on the equity. We're about 49,000 on the equity, which is not bad. 49,770. And we've got this one here, we're down just about 300 bucks. But I do think market's gonna start to bounce here at any moment. We'll see. So we're all over the place here with these accounts, but these are being manually traded. Doing some scalping here with minis. So we'll see how those treat me. If you guys want to check out the Smooth Trader Concepts indicator, that has played out today. Let's review some of the trades that the indicator has taken today. Okay, so right now the indicator posted a MOAS short here at 940, and the TP is down at 583. So if you're holding this short from any time here, you'd be in the green right now, getting close to the second MOAS that we got here. We got another MOAS. It came up here. This one was stopped out, but then came back into the. This was a secondary. So the main one is the main one that I would be in a trade with. But these secondary ones are ones that you can either add to your trade or take a small trade if you haven't already entered one. This one here would have been a small loss. Unless you had your stop loss up here, then that would have been a winner. Or still be in it if you add it to your trade. This one here, a MOAS to the downside. Actually, yeah, this one here, this MOAS to the downside. This one here is actually getting close to getting hit down at 612. And then we have the big one here that's still waiting at 583. So it looks like we are going to end up getting the majority of these MOAS targets hit today. If we do come down to 6, so we could come down to 580, we'd have one. This one here would have been a stop out. This one here would have been a win. So you would have had 2 winners here and 1 loser. So not bad, not bad. Let's take a look real quick at the, if you guys want to check out the Smooth Trader Concepts Indicator, hit the link that's pinned in the chat or down below in the description. It'll take you over to our website where you can pick any one of these options. The lifetime has 20% off, and you guys can get 20% off if you use codes STC20. If you want to try the order flow simplified, it is only $7 for 7 days. Or if you want to try both the indicators, the order flow simplified and the ultimate momentum signal, so you can try both for just 7 days for $7. If you are looking for a prop firm to trade, guys, there is the prop firm matrix. That is another one of our links that's pinned in the chat. That will bring you over to the prop firms that we're currently using: Apex, Trade, Traderfile, Lucid, and Legends. You can compare them all next to each other and see which one has the best price right now. Let's say on a 50K end of day, 50K end of day, 50K, let's say growth, 50K with, that's a daily, Lucid Flex. And let's say we do a 50K elite. All right, and then you can see which ones, how they compare next to each other. We got Legends right now, that's $81, Lucid 98, Tradeify 87. Trade is actually 55% off right now. I got to update that. They have they're at 55% off. And then Apex obviously is the cheaper one on the eval, but then you do have a activation fee, which brings you up a little bit. And then you can see all the stats, and you have the links and the coupon codes all at the bottom, so check them out. Also, BTCC, this is my preferred Bitcoin exchange where I trade crypto, guys. I talk about it all the time. It looks like our short's about to get filled right now. Let's go check that and check on that real quick. It looks like we might get filled, Johnny. Good job. We need that 619 hit. Let's hopefully it comes back. Taps in. Well, with that being said, Bitcoin, BTCC, they will give you 10% deposit bonus. So if you deposit, let's say $1,000, they'll give you $100, and you could trade with that $100 only. You can send the rest of the money back to your bank account. Also, they do have no VPN needed for American traders. Most crypto exchanges would need you to use a VPN because they're not allowed in the States, but BTCC is one of the oldest ones, and they are regulated here in the States. If you do a KYC, they will give you $30 for USD or USDC, just for or USDT for you guys to trade with, and you can use that also. You don't have to use any of your own money. Yeah, check out BTCC. I like them a lot. I trade with them all the time. Looking for actually a short right now on Bitcoin. I did have a limit order set at 64.8. And we're waiting for that to get hit. Let's check on that real quick. Where's Bitcoin? It's NVIDIA. Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin's actually dumping more. We're looking for 64.8 and we got 64.5 and it's coming back down. So we may not get that today. And it looks like we may not even get this TP here. It looks like we're getting a bounce at that 620 level. Nasdaq does not want to come to hit our fill our order there. But either way, yeah, it's all good. Yeah, today was not easy. We'll see you guys tomorrow. And I'll say a quick prayer. Father God, we thank you for this day, Lord. We thank you for everything you've given us, Lord, every blessing and every hard day, Lord. I know it's all for our good. Father, I thank you also, Father, for this community and everyone in it, Lord. I know there are people here who need you, Lord. Some people financially, some people with their health, and other people, Father, with an abundance in relationships, Father, they might be have a hard time with, Father. Their spouses, their kids, their in-laws, their fathers, their mothers, Father. I pray that their relationships be healed, Father, and mended. Always keeping you in the center of them all, Father. And there's one instruction you did leave us with, and Father, is love each other as you've loved us. So, Lord, I pray for that, and I also pray that you keep us safe until we meet again tomorrow. In Jesus' name, we pray, amen. All right, guys, take care, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
This indicator called 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 trades. Almost 6 trades perfectly today. Most traders are stuck guessing entries using lagging indicators that tell you what already happened. By the time you get the signal, you've already missed the move, or worse, you're walking into a reversal. That's not a strategy, that's gambling. So with this smooth trader indicator, not only do you get unbelievable